There are three main sections of sport yoga: science, the path of yoga, and application. In the science section, you will learn the roadmap of the body, the physiological and mind-body connections that allow us to move, as well as some awesome research about the human body. The science is important because it will expand your knowledge of the metastructure of movement and help you see movement as a whole. And it will specify your knowledge of movement and help you see the beautiful details of these intricate structures we call bodies. In the Path of Yoga section, you will learn about ideas and concepts of yoga. Yoga is much more than just a bunch of postures. It is a practice of life and has some fascinating and helpful information that you could use in both teaching classes and creating your life. The application section is putting the sport yoga information into the practical use of teaching sport yoga classes for others. Here you will find the collection of postures, practice classes, and education about teaching. A value in sport yoga is flexibility as a way of life, to really understand these movement concepts at a deep level, so you will find freedom of creativity and your own unique application of your classes, and be able to adjust accordingly depending upon the circumstances in the moment. Imagine what it will be like when you have the tools and information to customize instruction based on the present needs of your students in the classes you teach. Complete this program by moving through at a proficient personal pace. Allow yourself to learn the information in a way of optimal absorption, and really consider the questions that are in the elaboration fun sheets. By taking that time at the end of the modules to reword what you have learned in your own words, you will deepen your own conceptualization and understanding of sport yoga. NESTA offers online support as needed throughout the training program, so feel free to contact us if you have any questions or concerns. We are here to help you succeed. Take a deep breath, and as always, have fun.